Good morning and welcome to another episode of the Tip Share. It's a pleasure to have you here. In this week's episode, we're going to be discussing 5 tools to increase restaurant revenue in 2021 and beyond with out-of-the-box tactics to help facilitate a steady increase in restaurant revenue. I'm super excited to share these with you, so let's jump right in. Before getting too deep down the rabbit hole, let's first define what is restaurant revenue. Restaurant revenue, or sales, describes the total amount of money your operation generates during any given period of time. Most restaurants have multiple revenue centers, including food, beverage, merchandise, gift cards, third-party delivery, online ordering, and more. Consequently, revenue can fluctuate tremendously, dependent upon various extraneous factors such as seasonality, weather, holidays, etc. Because of this, most operators are continuously looking for new strategies in which they can grow their restaurant revenue. While creative marketing strategies and honing in on profitable menu items may support growth, there are outside-of-the-box tactics that can help facilitate a steady increase in restaurant revenue. Strategic partners aren't typically thought of as revenue generators. However, they can create scale and provide expertise in areas beyond an operator's bandwidth or knowledgeable scope in most cases. While RASI provides unmatched financial management with accounting and payroll, through our unique network of partners, we've created strategic programs with premium industry leaders to provide a full circle approach for restaurants to increase their revenues. Now we can jump into our list. Number 1 is 7 shifts, where all of your payroll compliance headaches end for good. Increasing revenue through payroll compliance is the simplest way to keep money in your pocket instead of losing it to costly payroll compliance issues. Above all, payroll is one of the most critical aspects of any business. Moreover, properly paying your team creates that trust and longevity of employment. Thus, our partnership with 7 Shifts creates security in knowing that proper rate of pay, overtime, meal, shift, and break compliances are accurately tracked and reported. Next up is Adesso. Raising capital is critical for businesses to grow. Additionally, financing helps businesses manage cash flow, purchase new assets and inventory, and make improvements to increase revenue. Unfortunately, large banks decline 75% of small business applicants, so qualifying for a bank loan can be difficult and it takes months to secure a loan. This partnership with Adesso can help you secure capital within 2 to 3 days. From term and merchant cash advance loans to SBA and equipment loans, Adesso will readily assist you to receive that financing. Up next on our list of tools to increase restaurant revenue is Bentobox. Bentobox is a hospitality platform that empowers restaurants to own their presence, profit, and relationships directly through their website. Restaurants can grow revenue through the creation of an online experience that converts web visitors into paying customers. This partnership provides tools to drive high-margin revenue like gift cards, online ordering, merchandise, all directly through your restaurant's own website. Now more than ever before, a restaurant's online presence is critical for continued success and that additional revenue. Moving right along after Bentobox is Branch. Much like having an online presence, the need for contactless experiences and digital transactions has never been more in demand. An indirect strategy to increase restaurant revenue is the ability to move money faster and accelerate payday via digital banking. Restaurant managers can leave paper checks and pay cards in the past and create immediate cost savings with Branch. This partnership provides digital banking opportunities for restaurants to better control their cash flow and capitalize on time saving with the ability to lower their overhead costs as managers no longer need to cut and deliver paper checks. Additionally, employee turnover is lowered as they experience easy digital access to wages up to 2 days early, without the traditional fees associated with brick-and-mortar banks. Last but certainly not least is Efficient Hire. Efficient Hire offers a proven suite of human resource software solutions that allows restaurants to streamline their hiring process from recruiting to onboarding, all while maintaining HR compliance. This partnership assists to eliminate the manual, paper-driven frustrations with a fully automated process, ultimately saving valuable time and money. Restaurants can increase revenue by engaging with qualified candidates faster, remain in ACA compliance, and increase employee retention through ease and simplification of the employee journey from start to finish. Moreover, considering Efficient Hire's Work Opportunity Tax Credit Solution, WOTC for short, restaurants can take advantage of this federal tax credit for employers who hire and retain individuals with significant barriers to employment. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this week's Tip Share. For more information about each of the tools covered today, check out rasiusa.com/partners, where you can find a full list and inquire more about how to get started. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all next week.